Hey there. I thought I'd do a short little video here about the Acorn here. The Acorn trailer, the Acorn Scamp trailer, and there it is, laying on its side. It's laying on its side for a very good reason because I did replace the floor last year. It went into storage for the summer. I just didn't want to work on it anymore. And I'm taking my time with it. I really am. I'm trying to do the right thing for this trailer. Anyways, I've got the floor glassed in from the top side. Now I need to fiberglass it in from the bottom side. You don't want any moisture getting to this plywood anymore. As you can see, I filled all the knot holes in the good one side plywood. This is the not good side. Obviously, I kept the good side for the inside where I'm going to put lino. So I've got fiberglass mat cloth, and I'm going to do it just like as if you would build a wooden boat. You'd glass in the boat. I've done this in the past. You don't, as you're towing this trailer through the mud and the water and rainstorms and stuff, you don't want any moisture splashing up against the bottom. And just putting a coat of paint on here, I mean, it might look good initially, but it's not going to last more than 10 years. No, we got to put some fiberglass on here. I'm still going to paint, but I'm going to paint over the fiberglass. Okay, I'm going to use an industrial enamel. It's like a semi-gloss black. So it'll all be black here. This also gives me a chance to fix up the skirt here a little bit better. Openings like this are, we're going to turn the camera around here a little bit. Anyways, openings like this are too wide. There's the actual frame, you can see, passes right through here. So we want to fill this in so that it's not too bad. There's some repairs that were done here very poorly, so that needs to be ground off. There's big holes like that. I am not going to be putting the spare tire on here anymore. These holes need to be filled. Right now I'm more concerned about the bottom of the trailer than I am anything else. There was they had around the lip of the trailer here like a little plastic molding and stuff, and after 40 years or however long it was on there for, it was just crap. So it was broken off, but there's little holes there too. So basically we're just going to keep this skirting here in the trailer, the skirt that hangs down below. It basically, it gives the trailer its low look. If this was trimmed off flush, I think the trailer would look kind of a little bit funny. So it has that skirting around it. So everything's going to get trimmed up, sanded, and all glassed in and then painted. And then once the body goes back on the frame again, it's the last time you have to worry about something like that. For now, once I've done this painting and glassing in the bottom, the trailer's obviously going to get rolled back on its proper side, and I'll have a little dolly underneath here so that I can wheel it in and out of the garage. I've got by the way, we had to slide it in here. If you can see, the garage door is only 7 feet high, and that is like 6'9" or 6'10". It just fit under the door, and it's on a piece of carpet. So we basically just pushed it in and out. I think the body, like in this form here with what is it, 2 sheets of plywood, 2 sheets of plywood for the floor, probably 500 pounds maybe. And most of that weight, of course, is in the floor. I did put a 2x4 brace inside because we don't want anything flexing or moving too much. But I can walk in here and get at the inside of the floor there. The inside of the floor kind of got dirty from walking in and out of it with stuff when I stored it for the winter. So anyways, that's where we're at with the Scamp. I'm taking my time. It's New Year's right now. Might take me a month or so to get this part done, and another month to get the rest of the body all cleaned up and painted as well. So long as I'm ready for spring, that's fine. And the frame is sitting outside ready to go.